Need to clean up your NotebookLM workspace? If you have old projects, test notebooks, or notebooks you no longer need, you can remove them in just a few clicks. Start by going to your NotebookLM homepage where all of your notebooks are displayed. Find the notebook you'd like to delete and click the three-dot menu associated with that notebook. From the menu, select Delete. NotebookLM will ask you to confirm the action before permanently removing the notebook. Take a moment to review the prompt, especially if the notebook contains important sources, notes, reports, or study materials. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. The notebook will be removed from your workspace and will no longer appear in your notebook list. Before deleting any notebook, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved or exported anything you may need later. And that's how to delete an entire notebook project in NotebookLM. It's a simple way to keep your workspace organized and free of projects you no longer use.